Hi everyone. So today I'm doing a monthly read for my zodiac cusp signs, and this one will be for my Scorpio and Sagittarius zodiac cusp sign. So we are going to try and find out how this entire month would be for you. That is the month of January 2021. We'll see what's in store for you. Now this is going to be a generic reading, so it may or it may not resonate with most of you. So whatever resonates you take, and the rest you can actually leave behind. If you are new to my channel, my darling, I would request if you could please subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you have been a regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family and always sharing your love for this channel. Okay, so let's see what's in store for you, for what the energies are all about for the month of January 2021. So angels and spirit guides, we have please can you help us getting some messages as to how this entire month will be all about. Let's see what's in store for you. Okay, we have some cards coming out, and okay, we have 3 cards actually come up, but let's see. I'll just take some more shuffle. Okay, let's see if there are any energies. No, so let's have these energies. Let's see what they are all about. You have interesting cards coming in. Okay, I will place them here. Perfect. Okay, so you actually have interesting month coming up, I must say. And okay, okay, now it's better. Okay, let's have some angelic guidance also, love, so that we have some more clarity, and then we can go ahead with the read. So angels and spirit guides, please can we have some messages for my lovely sweethearts. Let's see how this month of January 2021 will be all about. Okay, it's like, you know, the cards are coming, they are flying, but let's see what more can we have. Anything? What message can we have? Okay, let's see what's coming up. Oh, okay, we have too many cards, but I won't take so many cards. We need to have one message. Okay, so let's request angels and spirit guides, please say. Now we have, okay, so let's take all these cards because they kind of flew out. There's this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and yeah, let's see what are they trying to say. Perfect. Let's begin with your read. Now, if you see in the entire center, we have a change coming in your life. So whatever the change is happening, embrace that change. Something good is definitely coming up. A shift is happening. If you've been looking for job opportunities, expect new opportunities coming up your way. Promotion, travel, communication, anything. A good shift is coming up. Definitely success is coming in. So if there is any transformation, because there is an emotional turmoil that you are going through, remember that turmoil is bringing in something good. Okay, something good is definitely coming up. Allow that thing. So as I always say, accept, allow and release. Whatever emotional turmoil it is happening, allow, because maybe it's one of a karmic cycle that I say, or maybe universe is giving you a shake up for something good to happen to you. Okay, so it's like we don't know what path we are moving in, and we think everything is out of control. So don't worry, allow that process to happen, because once you allow, you accept it, and the minute you accept, universe understands that yes, this person is receptive for something good to happen. So maybe a bad phase of your life is needed for a shake up. And when it shakes you up, like, you know, how you dust yourself, your outfit, or when you have fallen, you have a lot of mud on all over your body, and then when you start dusting yourself, you can see yourself clean. So similarly, universe is dusting you, giving you a shake up for something good to come your way, because there is a beautiful change that is coming. Angels are definitely having your back, so allow that thing. Okay, if you feel there is a little shake up that is happening, be it on emotional front, be it on work front, be it on finance front, be it on spiritual front, whatever it is, allow, accept and release. Okay, something good is definitely coming up. Now darling, you will encounter with a person who is highly knowledgeable. This can be anybody. If you are a male energy, then yes, this relates to you. If not, if you're a feminine energy, then yes, you may relate to someone, or this can be you also. Okay, I'm not trying to be biased that okay fine, it has to be a male energy, but it can be any such energy you could encounter who has immense knowledge. Now this person can be anyone, could be your father, your boss, your brother, your partner, it can even be your sister, your mother, your wife, it can be anybody. So this person will help you in bringing lot of success. Lot of knowledge is someone that you will be surrounded with. So make the best use of it. Okay, through knowledge, because you are blessed with some good experiences, then yes, make the best use of it on your work front. This is what it's saying. So you know what knowledge you carry, or if you think by seeking some good knowledge will help you in bringing success, then yes, you will have. Do not worry, you will have finance flow also coming in. So it's like, day and night you have growth, abundance, but the knowledge word is very strongly hitting on me currently, the vibe. So yes, you need to make use of your knowledge. Yes, there is growth, there is abundance, prosperity, you name it, you will have it darling, but allow that thing. Also, if you feel you are exhausted in the entire bargain, then you need to take breaks. Either you are overstressing yourself, or you're overexerting yourself, or you could be overthinking also. Whatever it is, it's like, it's like, how this person is standing at the window and it's like tired, saying, okay, I'm done. I just can't push myself. I'm giving up. That is what universe is pushing you, that, okay, fine, this is the end point. Now something good is going to happen. Okay, so allow that process to happen. Also, you are matured enough to handle the situation, but again, there is an overthinking, a cloud that has come up. You need to keep your eyes open, sweeties, because what you think, the reality is something different. You are just building these illusions. So if you see, the reality is beautiful, but again, maturity means a lot. So you need to open up your eyes. Now for that, you can have, if you like flowers or if you like nature, please start spending time with that. You can get floral aromatic candles in your workspace, in your living room, or you can wear floral perfumes also, because flowers will play an important role to you. Anything related to flowers, anything related to nature will definitely bring in a lot of good things. Okay, now what the angels are trying to say is, first you need to let go of your past. Whatever baggage you're holding on to, you have to let go, sweeties. It can be anything. Okay, you know what baggage you are carrying in, what guilt you are carrying in. You have to let go. The minute you let go, you will have all the good things that will embrace you. Okay, it's a very strong thing. Maybe that transformation is trying to tell you that you need to let this thing go off, because after you let go, this change is coming up. A good change is coming up. Please be focused on what path you're working in. So it's like focus on your service. You are on the correct path, so don't judge yourself. Or even if somebody's trying to judge you or trying to, kind of telling you, okay, what were you, now where are you, what are you doing, this is what you should have been doing, where am I on the correct path and all, don't. You are on the correct path. Leave your worries to the angels. I think there are a lot of money worries you could be holding on to, but release that money worry, because whatever you desire, you will receive. Okay, just keep working on that path. Focus on what you desire. If you are missing on or if you are planning to have or conceive a child, then yes, you can. Okay, if you're planning for adoption, yes, you can. It also means you need to be a little playful. Probably you've been acting way too mature enough as compared to your age. Okay, whatever your age group you could be belonging to, but there is an inner child that needs to be playful. So start being playful. Do something that makes you feel good. See, we always have an inner child. We need to keep that inner child alive. Okay, maybe the stronger version of you that is outside has been very strong, but the inner version of you, that is the inner child, has become a little weak. So the stronger version has to tell the inner version that, darling, you are safe. Okay, don't worry, I'm there to take care of you. And keep that inner child alive. Be playful, yeah. Do something. If you think you can watch cartoons and make you feel good, like, you know, watching a Tom and Jerry or a Donald Duck and the Chipmunks or any such thing, it's always good. Get back to your childhood. Play some games, you know, where you think are really good. If you think you have small kids around, start being playful. Maybe that will help you in bringing that innocence in you. Okay, very much important. And always concentrate on your life purpose. So the life purpose and the focus on service both are trying to say that, darling, just look into your life. Don't be bothered as to what people are going to say or what they are thinking about, because try to understand. See, there are a lot many people who will talk and who will gossip and who will leave. Okay, at the end of the day, it's your life. You know what life you are leading. You know what baggage you are carrying. So take control of your life. Don't care about what others think, because at the end of the day, people will just talk and will go ahead. Okay, they have that thing of blabber, 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 and we don't want that. You deserve to be happy. You want to be happy. You will be happy, provided you cut yourself from all those energies which actually don't do good for you. You know what boat you're sailing in, so be the best person to row that boat. Okay, now we have an overall picture as to how the entire thing is happening. Let's try and find out on the love front. Obviously, we need to know what's happening on the love front as well, because that's an inquisitiveness, right? So, angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages as to how this entire month will be. Okay, on the love front, we have one message, and is there any other message that is coming up? Let's see. No. So that one strong message says you deserve love. So darling, yes, you will happen to come across some person who will love you immensely, but for that you need to love yourself also. You deserve that. You are lovable. Everything will start falling into places. Maybe that is the reason that you could be in a dilemma kind of a thing, that what is happening with me? Are people just coming to take me for a ride, or people are just taking me for granted, or people can't understand me? No, don't overthink yourself. Just allow universe, allow angels to help you, because they are saying that you deserve love and you will find that person. Okay, maybe there's a divine timing. That's the reason angels and universe are saying that they are bringing a shake up with a beautiful change. Maybe someone whom you deserve, this person will come to you. He could be knowledgeable. He could be like an earth sign is what I'm catching, like an Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, that kind of an energy, because you also have Yola cusp. So it could be a sun, moon, rising. So there is someone who will come to you, who will approach you. You need not worry, but allow things to happen. Okay, so this is what the vibe I'm catching. That's the reason I'm seeing. Now let's have some one last additional message for you, like, you know, that one universal message that universe wants to tell you specially. Okay, so angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some message for my lovely sweethearts as to what this entire month would be like. And we have two messages. Let's see what they are all about. Smile. And I hope you're smiling when you're seeing this video. Darling, you need to smile. Okay, it's like, you know, you've lost bringing that genuine smile on your face. I'm not saying that you may not be smiling when you have to click a picture or a selfie or being with friends, but that genuine smile of yours is missing. So universe is saying you have to keep smiling often, or you need to smile often. Smiling often? You need to smile often. Go to the mirror, look at yourself and just smile. Maybe, you know, you know how that smile enhances the overall beauty. So yes, this is how what universe is trying to tell you. No matter what you go through, you need to smile. Bring that positive attitude in you. Rest be assured, you are going to sail very smoothly. Okay, and the next message, whatever happens, don't stress. So yes, don't stress. Whatever is happening for the good. So either you are overthinking, or maybe your past is something that is forcing you to sail into the same boat. That's the reason universe is actually shaking you up. The darling, this is the last time you're going to think, and this is the last time you're going to experience, because Universe is blessing you with something interesting coming up your way. So allow universe to help you. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Take it as it resonates. The rest you can actually leave behind. And yes, do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and have a wonderful month ahead, my love.